So, what muscles do jump ropes work on? Basically all of them. In today's video, I'm going to give you a breakdown of the main muscle groups jump ropes work on, and I'm going to tell you how to target them for max muscle gain. If you're jumping, your quads, glutes, and hamstrings are helping you do that. They're strengthening your knees, hips to help you jump and control each time you land. This is good for anyone who wants to improve their strength, running prowess, or body composition. These muscles are some of the largest in the entire body. If you want to kick your glutes into overdrive, try incorporating some single leg jump exercises into your routine. While they'll have to generate double the force to power each hop, they'll also have to work overtime to keep you stable on one leg at a time. One muscle that most people that do strength training forget to hit is the calves. And this is a muscle group that the jump rope focuses on. You can even say it's the primary muscle group that jump ropes work on. Your calves are made of two muscles that are in charge of your muscles at your ankle: the gastrocnemius muscle and soleus muscle. And you definitely aren't going to jump over that rope flat-footed. So these muscle groups are very important. Plus, according to the American Council on Exercise, jumping rope also improves the elasticity of the connective tissue surrounding the calf muscles. The result being, you have more power and less of a chance of injury. To build your best calf muscles with jump rope exercises, try to land on the balls of your feet, then lower your heels all the way to the ground before going to the next push-up. As long as you're keeping proper form and you're really trying, jumping rope can help you get a bigger and stronger back and shoulder. Constantly turning the rope will actually help you get stronger shoulders. Your shoulder stabilizers control the constantly shifting weight of the rope. And yes, you'll get a better exercise with the weighted jump rope. And if you want to see all the benefits of a weighted jump rope, check out the link I have below. One of the more surprising parts of the body that the jump rope helps is your core. When you jump rope, you should engage your core to get the most out of the workout. You can almost think about jumping ropes like jumping planks. Your innermost core should be just as braced. Keeping your core in a straight line will allow the most efficient transfer of power between your lower and upper body, while also protecting your lower back from the impact forces associated with each leg. Just to let you know, if you want to target your obliques, you can try one or two moves: side to side hops, or you can learn how to do twists. Yes, you can train your arms with just a jump rope, and this goes double if you have a weighted jump rope. And I made an entire video letting you know how to get muscles with a jump rope. You can check it out right here. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.